Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this is your aviation news. Your top story: Vancouver International Airport breaks ground on a 20-year, $9.1 billion expansion. Then, aviation professionals across Canada gathered at the CBAA in Waterloo, Ontario. And Airbus inaugurates Hamburg's fourth A320 production line. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. Vancouver International Airport broke ground on several construction projects that are part of the airport's multi-year expansion plans, totaling $9.1 billion over the next 20 years. Some of the key projects include one of the largest geo-exchange systems in Canada, significant terminal expansions, new parking options, and improved vehicle rental facilities. The airport supports around 24,000 jobs on Sea Island and more than 100,000 jobs across British Columbia. Operations, together with tourism and cargo, make up over $16 billion in total economic output, $8.4 billion in GDP, and $1.4 billion in government revenue across British Columbia. By the end of 2018, the airport explains these new projects will create nearly 2,500 full-time construction jobs on Sea Island and hundreds more off-site. The annual Canadian Business Aviation Association conference took off last week and proved to be another successful event. Business aviation professionals from across Canada gathered for 2 days of educational sessions at the Crown Plaza and a one-day trade show at Chartwright Air Group by the Waterloo International Airport. Attendees also enjoyed static displays with 21 aircraft, including the Avro Lancaster, of which there are only 2 left in the world. The association reports total conference registrations were up since last year at 723 attendees. Airbus inaugurated its fourth A320 family production line in Hamburg, Germany, with what they describe as a more flexible industrial setup. The aircraft manufacturer says the new production line will focus on ramping up its single-aisle program to 60 aircraft per month by mid-2019. Over 500 guests attended the inauguration ceremony in Hamburg. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Visit wingsmagazine.com to have your say on Canada's best fixed-base operators. Voting is now open. And make sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, June 29th for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. We'll see you next time.